Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another video. That's another modification to my 2021 Honda Civic Sport. So I'm going to install this. Look at that, sunshade deflectors or visors. All right, I got these online, eBay. I think $38 plus taxes, or around $50. All right, so and you can see they came in. The people who sent it to me, I guess, yeah, they came in already with the tape. All right, that's good. Double-sided tape. All I have to do right now is peel off the end, the end, this end, to allow me to apply it easily, and also peel off this end. All right, so the first thing to do is to decontaminate the area this thing is going to be installed to. Okay, you can do it with whatever you have. I just happen to have glasses cleaners or wipe, and I'm doing it with them. Okay. And the purpose of cleaning this is so you can have a good bond. All right. It's not going to be squeaky clean, but at least it's clean. Now I'm about to install the visors. So you can see I peel off, a portion of this. Okay, leave it like this, and then the same over here and the same here. So the reason is I can still move this around, okay, when I install it. And when you are installing this, make sure you watch the front, because you don't want this to be too far out, and then over here it's not. So do like this. Now let me do here. And you can see, there we go. Now, okay, so this is the see, this is the front end. Okay, it is flush. This is not going to be 100% the length, okay, because this is an aftermarket. That's what it's called, aftermarket. It will not be 100%, but I can try to move it up a little bit if I want to. But if I do that, it will be very short in the back. You see, so the back will be very, very short if I move it further up. But it is fine like this. So now, after I double check, make sure that this thing is the way I want it. Okay, the way I want it. I can remember I started to peel off here, so you can I can press on it, so it will stay. And then over here is the same. Here it's the same. So here, okay. So now look, I peel this off. See, slowly, slowly. See, it's good. You see, that's it. And then there we go. And then we slowly slowly peel this off, and then you move. Yeah. So you don't press hard on it when you're pulling this, because that would be a force against force, and that would that would break this off. But you slowly move it, and then you press on this end here. Okay, because this part here is not going anywhere, because I have it here taped. Okay, so there we go. See, I can just go ahead and tap on it. If I had made a big mistake, I can easily remove it now. What would happen is, over 24 hours, when the sun cooks this thing, oh, it would be hard to remove it, especially when it's cold. When it's cold, you got a perfect seal. Oops, I make a little mistake here. This thing is down, but I can get it. There we go. So I move this, and this is it. It is good now. So I'm going to do the other one. You have to do the other one, folks. You can't just do one side, one rear door. All right. So now you get to watch the end of this. Okay, that would be exactly like this one here. Okay, so again, it's best to put it all the way to the end instead of over here. Okay, so, because that's what people see most. People will not see this one here. Let's say this one is a little bit crooked. People will not do it only unless if they do an inspection. But over here, you cannot have it like this. That's too obvious. So so I will I'll place it like this, and it look. So that should be able to hold it a little bit. Okay, move it up like this to the height. Okay, height, and let's try to match the height of this. Okay. Okay, it looks okay. And then I tap a little bit. I tap it. Now it can stay. So now I'm moving forward. Hi. Moving forward. Hi. Moving forward. Forward. Okay. So now it looks okay. So now let me show you. See? See? See that? Okay, so now let me go ahead and remove this, the remaining one. Okay, out. Okay, seal, and slowly pull this one, and then you tap on the end, slowly, slowly. Okay. I would want it to be more flush, but that's not how it works, because this is an aftermarket part. Folks, there was no editing in the making of this video. Thanks for watching, and see you later. Bonus, I installed this earlier. There's a video for it.